Hello and welcome to Creador. In this video we are going to do a quick tutorial on getting started with Google Classroom. To start using Google Classroom, you should have a Google account. If you don't have one, creating one is super easy. Open your web browser and go to www.google.com. Go to the top right corner of the web page and click on Sign In. To start creating an account, click on Create Account. Choose whether the account is for yourself or to manage your business. Now, fill in your first and last names. Now type in a desired username of your choice, which will be later used as your Gmail ID, and check its availability. Here, my username is available. Create a password that you can remember and retype it without any mistakes on the confirm password also. Now, click on Next. You can add your phone number, which will be useful for your account security and password recovery, in case you forget your password. Add in your date of birth, select your gender and click Next. Scroll down the next page showing Google's privacy and terms and click on I agree. Voila. Your Google account is on and ready for use. You can use all the provided Google services and apps by clicking on the Google Apps icon on top right corner of the Google page. To start using Google Classroom, open Google App Drawer and select Classroom. Select your Google account and click on Continue. If you are a student, you can join a class by clicking on the plus sign and selecting Join Class. Enter the code sent to you by your teacher and click on Join, and you will be taken to your class. If you are a teacher and want to create a class, click Create Class. Fill in the details of your class. You can select the subject from the drop-down list provided, or type yourself. Then click on Create. Your class will be created, and you will be given a class code. You can enlarge the code by clicking on the box icon available next to the code. Invite students to the class by sending the invitation link via email or your preferred method. You can customize the appearance of your class by selecting a theme from the various options provided by Google. Or you can upload a photo of your own. On the top, you can see 4 tabs. Under Stream, you can make class announcements and also view the posts shared by your students. Under Classwork, you can post assignments, quiz or study materials to the class and schedule them. Under People, you can see the list of teachers and students in the class and also invite more. The grades given to the students can be viewed under the Grades tab. If you have any doubts on using the Google Classroom, let me know in the comments section below. In the next video, I will be showing you how to post announcements in the class stream and giving assignments to students. Please like our video if it has been useful to you.